Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the two-sum problem, but this time we're going to be using Python. Last time I did this video, I used Java, so today I'm going to be using Python. If you haven't watched the first video, the link will be in the description below. Well, let's start off by talking about the problem. In this problem, we are given an input array with a given target, which would be 9. What we want to do is find the two integers in the array that add up to the target 9, which in this case is 2 and 7. What we want to do to get 0 and 1 is return the, where the numbers are. So in the index, 2 is 0th and 7 is in the first. So that's how we get the output 0 and 1. Let's go put this on the blackboard and see what it looks like from there. Okay, so basically what we're trying to do is find the target, which in this case is 9. And the way we would do that is find an integer in the first one, which we start out with 2. So we'll have this 1, and then it will go through the rest of this, find one that matches up with 2, see if any of them add up to 9, and if it doesn't find anything, scratches it, goes to the next number, and then goes back to the first one, this one, and goes all the way here and see if it has another one which add up to 9. But in this case, since it is 7 and 2, then the output would be 0, 1, because when it scales through all these and finds every possible integer or possible sequence to add up to 9, then once it's found, it just prints its output 0 and 1, and that's what we're trying to do in the problem. Let's hop into VS Code and see what that looks like. Once you start out in Leetcode, it will give you this for normal Python. I will be using normal Python and not Python 3. So it is really easy and basically the same thing as Java, just used in Python. So the first thing we're going to do is create a for loop for I in nums, which that just creates a for loop. And then we're going to define j, which j equals target minus I. Then create an if loop if j in nums equals true and nums dot index j is not equal to nums dot index I. Then we want to return nums dot index I, comma nums dot index j. Let's see what that looks like in Leetcode. Now I'm here in Leetcode, and we're gonna start typing it up. So the first thing you want to do is create a for loop for I in nums, define j, which equals target minus I, create an if loop, j in nums equals true and nums dot index j is not equal to nums dot index nums dot index I. Then we're gonna return nums dot index I and nums dot index j. If you wonder why I have brackets around here, that's just showing that it's gonna print out the array and it'll create an array basically, so that's why I have that. Run that and it's accepted. I know this is one of the easier Leetcodes, but I really did hope you learned something. I might make another video on C++ if you guys think I should. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.